You must agree with me on this. There's nothing better than going out on a long hike. It's snowing, it's freezing, your cheeks are freezing, your nose is freezing, your toes are freezing. A long hike, and then you come home to a nice warm house, fire on, and you come home to a nice hearty, thick stew. A beef stew, or any stew. That is a great feeling. Take your socks off, your boots off, or you can keep your socks on, but it's just a great feeling. You're nice and warm, and you're eating that soup or that stew. It's a good feeling. A little funny. So I did a beef and lentil stew, a hearty beef and lentil stew, thick, with some nice crusty bread, or you can serve it with some fresh vegetables, mashed potato. I do like it with some nice crusty bread you can dunk in and eat. And I did it in one of these electric pressure cookers, Instapot, whatever you want to call them. I weren't a fan of these, but they do a great job, amazing job, and it's so easy to actually do. Bung it in, cook it, voila, you've got a meal, a fantastic meal, delicious meal. I take that back. I take that back. You can't just bung it in.
Who's coming back?
What? No, I'm taking it back. I said something wrong. Yeah. I take it back. You can't just bung everything in there. Turn it. I'm trying to tell them. Yeah. Right. No, not outside. What are you going on about? You can't just bung everything in there, turn it on and cook it. There's a few little things you've got to do to build up that flavour and the process. I don't think I'm making any sense. I'm trying to, Yes, you can't just bung everything in there, turn it on and hope for a delicious meal. Nah, there's a few little things you've got to do to build up them flavours. And I'm going to show you. It's absolutely delicious. Thanks guys. Enjoy. Enjoy. First, cut the carrots into chunks. Cut the onions into quarters. And keep the garlic whole. With any stew, cut big rather than small. For the beef, I'll be using chuck shoulder. It's cheap and perfect for my stew. I'll be cooking my stew in an electronic pressure cooker. It's easy to use and does an amazing job. Next, press the sauté button, choose your temperature, now wait until it gets hot. Season the beef well with salt and pepper. When hot, add olive oil and the beef. Now cook until golden brown. When brown, take out and put to one side. Take out the inner pot and remove the fat. Keep all the brown bits at the bottom of the pot. It's all flavour. Next, add the vegetables and garam masala. Now cook out for 2 minutes. Add tomatoes, flour and cook out for 2 minutes. Add the beef and herbs. I use rosemary and thyme. I'm using beef stock, but you can also use chicken stock. Add lentils and stir well. When cooked, unlock the pressure release valve. At this point, the stew should be nice and thick with tender beef. Remove stems, add Worcestershire sauce to taste, followed by salt and pepper. So there you have it, a delicious winter warmer. Take your coat off, take your shoes off and tuck in. Thanks guys. Hello guys, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, there's some videos here that you might like related to the video I've just done, or there might not be. But what I want you to do is subscribe, like the video, click that bloody bell. You'll be doing me a favour. So yeah, and enjoy some videos here. I've got a few videos up here. So just click on them and enjoy. Thanks guys.